On the 9th of May, some sources revealed that the US Armed Forces were recently using a new variant of the Hellfire 2 AGM-114 R9X missile. This variant, called the AGM-114 R9X, has been designed to reduce the risks of collateral damages as much as possible. To reduce such risks, the missile has been designed replacing the explosive warhead by an inert ballast, coupled with an array of sword-like blades that pop out right before the impact with the target. The blades maintain a high rate of lethality while reducing the collateral damages. Such missile is said to have been used against several targets in Libya, Syria, Iraq, Yemen and Somalia. It is also said to have been used in Syria in 2017 against al-Masri, then number 2 leader of Al-Qaeda.